Hi, I'm Eleanor from MotorMatters with Levtrade and Burnshield. A first aid kit at the very least will provide comfort and relief to people with less critical injuries. Should you be involved in or witness an accident, a first aid kit will empower you to help yourself, your passengers and others.
You're at the scene of an accident and you've just discovered that somebody actually has an injury on their eye. Well, the domestic motoring kit even has a little eye bath and an ampule for a liquid for you to wash out their eye. If you don't have this ampule, water would do if you really have to. But all you do is open it up, put it in there, and then of course you can flush out their eye nice and easily using that.
If the injury is more severe, cover the eye with a sterile dressing and seek medical attention. Whether your trip involves an hour-long jaunt or a full day's drive, safe driving requires planning ahead before. For your comfort and safety, in addition to your peace of mind, you should have a drive-safe kit conveniently stored under the passenger seat for easy access and not in the boot of your car.